Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today I'm in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, off the east coast of Canada. And I'm going to take you on a walking tour. We're going to be following the red line, which goes to the historic district, so you can see the historic landmarks. And then also I'm going to go out on the boardwalk and show you the waterfront and the natural landscape of the area. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right, the tour begins on Water Street and Great George Street, and you follow this red and yellow line for the walking tour. First thing you see, I love the statue. It's of the first bishop of Charlottetown, who founded St. Andrew's College. And then right across the street is the St. Dunstans Basilica, which is a Roman Catholic church. And I'll go across the street to get a better view. All right, so there's a good view of the St. Dunstan's Basilica, Roman Catholic Church. And right across the street is the Great George Hotel. And also some interesting sculptures. Right here we have these two figures. I overheard a walking tour saying it's symbolic of the original people that were discussing about making Canada a confederation. And now we'll go and take a look inside the church. Alright, so I just went off the trail a little bit to show you Victoria Rowe, which is a pedestrian street with numerous restaurants, but I'm going to be going the opposite direction. Okay, walking along here is St. Paul's Church. Looks like it's in red sandstone. I think that's very pretty. Alright, so on the corner of Grafton and Queen Street is the Confederation Center of the Arts, and I found this neat placard here that says that the Queen opened it in 1964 as Canada's national memorial to the Fathers of Confederation. So it has a theater, art gallery, a library, memorial hall, and there is a short movie in there on the birth of the Confederation, which did happen here for Canada in Charlottetown. So on the corner there's also Cow's Ice Cream, which is supposedly the best ice cream that is made here locally on the island, and it's actually branching out internationally. And then also I just want to add, if you want something healthy across the street, Juicy Company. I always get something healthy over there, but I am gonna go. It's time to get an ice cream break, so let's go try out Cow's Ice Cream. Okay, so the sign out here says Talk World Discovery. It's a company that offers tours. Actually claims that this is the best ice cream in the world. So let's go see if that's true. Well, I finished my ice cream, and while it was fantastic, I can't say it was the world's best, but it melted so fast I didn't even get to share the experience with you, sorry. But okay, so I'm cruising along Queen Street, and I love this area because there's a used bookstore here, and there's another bookstore that I've been to before that I really like. It's called the Bookman. It's just your classic traditional bookstore, which is such a thing of the past these days. You could get lost in here.
It was an awesome show.
Right, and I'm on the corner here. This is City Hall. And also, by the way, Queen Street, which I was going down, is the main shopping street. And continuing to follow the red line. Okay, so this is All Souls Chapel, and it's right next to Rochford Square, which looks very pleasant. Yeah, it's got a nice flower arrangement here, really pretty, serene. Okay, onward. Okay, so on West Street, I got off the red line and I'm on the green line, which is the Waterfront walk. And on the way there is this historic museum, Beaconsfield Historic House. And it is a museum that is actually closed on Mondays, so I won't be going in, but there you go. And so we're gonna go do a change of pace from all these buildings and go along the beautiful Victoria Park and go along the boardwalk. Okay, so on my way to doing the boardwalk, just to let you know, there's also the government house right here. You can just kind of see the gateway, the White House there. Okay, so I am going to be walking. It just says here, the pedestrian traffic welcome. So let's go take the government house before doing the boardwalk. All right, so here's the governor's house. I have gotten permission that it's okay to walk by. And they've got beautiful gardens. I love the trees. Okay, what a find here. I am in the governor's mansion, his the gardens, and they said I could come here, so this is available to the public. Just gorgeous. Victorian gardens. Definitely worth a visit. All right, and we'll be headed back to the boardwalk. Okay, so I'm doing up and back on the boardwalk, and yeah, we have Victoria Park off to the right and the governor's house where I just was, and then the harbor to the left, and you can see this these red rocks here, and yeah, the dirt and the rocks here are red, so you know, from the iron, so that is the hallmark of this area. So we're gonna head for the Battery and see what else. I think there's a lighthouse as well, so let's check it out. And also, they were taking photos of the governor when I was walking by, so I didn't realize it till someone called her Your Honor, and I figured it out. So,
Yeah, oh yeah.
so they evidently have a female governor.
Yeah.
So right on the boardwalk, there's a battery here that you can come see up close. Back on the trail. Walking to the end of the boardwalk. Yeah, there is a lighthouse there. Red and white lighthouse. So I'm just going to turn around here and go back. So I thought I would show you some up close of the red rocks here. To go review my geology. I'm guessing red sandstone. All right, so I'm stopping here at the floating dock. If I had more time, I would hang out here for sunset, but this looks great. There's some other people here, so I want to try and not be intrusive here. I'll just go to the end without getting any of them in it. This is nice. So serene. All right, so heading back up to the boardwalk along there. So you can see I'm walking along both the green and the red line. Now, so the red line is the historic, which I followed mostly today, but then when I went out on the boardwalk, that was part of the waterfront walk, which is the green line. So now I'm on both. So finishing up the trail, I'm gonna just stick to the red. All right, this is the Joseph McDonald House, which was the first general hospital in 1879. All right, so I ended my day at the Water Street Fish and Chips, and I want to give them 2 thumbs up. I ate here 4 years ago, and it was even better than I remembered. He was telling me my halibut was literally caught this morning, and it was the fluffiest and most fresh halibut I have ever had. So 2 thumbs up for Water Street Fish and Chips. Anyway, that concludes my day on Water Street, back to the ship. I hope you enjoyed my video.